All right, what's up, everybody? Time for two boxes of Prime Signatures 2011. This is for the eBay auction that ended last night. Coming to you from BreakMKE, breakmke.com. We have got, just as a reminder, the leaderboard is going to be updated right after this. If you're not familiar with the leaderboard, check it out on our website. Basically, for every single team you buy from now until April 15th, you'll be entered into our free break. So every team you buy, you get a chance. On April 15th, we're going to put everyone's name in the randomizer for as many teams as you've got, and we will random off for teams, and then we're going to break a 2011 Prime Signatures box for free. So get as many teams as you can. Hopefully, you get a big hit in that. So uh, besides that, I think we're going to get started. We had some extra teams this week. 7 teams actually. We had somebody step up and buy them all. So that's pretty much what we'll do from now on. If there's open teams, if you actually want to message me after or something and see if they're available, that's fine. Otherwise, I'll send out a message Monday afternoon. So I think that's everything. So let's get started, guys. Good luck. All right, I'm gonna shuffle the bottom to the top, and good luck, y'all. First card, we've got Demaryius Thomas, Denver Broncos, 499. Broncos, 499. Second card, another Vikings hit like last week. Mr. Jared Allen out of 499 for the Minnesota Vikings. And then for the Redskins, not really sure who this is, but oh my God! And we got a hit. I'm excited. I can. So Russ Grimm out of 499, and as you can see, we've gotten 3 cards out of 499. Normally there is one card that's a prime proof, so they saved the best for last. We'll put it that way. We have got the man, Cam Newton, auto 199. This baby's on card. Heart's beating pretty fast right now. This baby's on card. Holy cow. Beautiful card. On card 199 of Cam Newton. Wow. Beautiful card. Holy cow. All right, guys. That was the first box. Let's see what we get in the second one here. Man, it's a beautiful card. It's a really nice signature, too. Whew. Can't stop looking at it. All right, we'll pull the bottom to the top here. All right, guys, 4 more cards. Good luck. First card for the Indianapolis Colts, 499. Austin Collie, base card. Next, we've got for the Philadelphia Eagles, Nnamdi Asomugha out of 499. I think I butchered that name. Next card, Mr. Brett Favre. Finally, we got our prime proof out of 99. Brett Favre for the Green Bay Packers. And then our last one, low numbers. We got low numbers here. for the St. Louis Rams. Let me see if I can get that. Out of 5. Doesn't want to focus right now. Out of 5, Rosie Greer for the St. Louis Rams. I don't know why she's not focusing. But anyway, low number, Rosie Greer. I don't know if I'm saying his name right, I'll be honest. I've never heard of him before. But this one is sticker auto. I don't know what it's going to take to get this thing to focus. Rosie Greer, 1 out of 5. So, oh my goodness. Real quick again, guys. Mr. Cam Newton. 199. Wow. Okay, guys. Well, yeah, thanks for joining us. Got a sweet little hit there and a low number. So, just so you know, we got a box of Panini Playbook 2011 next week. If you've never seen the product or never broke one, got to take a look. Go on YouTube, watch some videos. It is a sweet product. 4 huge hits, 3 autos, and a booklet, usually autos in there. So take a look at those. That's going to end on Sunday night, those auctions, and then we'll break that on Monday. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a good night. Bye.